Okay, so here's another kind of question that usually throws students off character when this is such a question and they're wondering what kind of circuit is this, what kind of combination is this, and then they give up even before they try. But I want to assure you that this is a very easy question. All right, so just imagine that you are trying to eat bread, or you're trying to eat agege bread or one soft bread like that. You want to press it first, abi? All right, it's that same process we will actually apply in solving this particular question. Now we are told to calculate the equivalent resistance in the combination above. All right, so most students will want to do this. 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 ohms will give us the equivalent resistance, but then that is so wrong. From this combination, I see that 3 ohms, 4 ohms, and 5 ohms, they are connected in parallel, while 2 ohms and 6 ohms are connected in series with 3 of these. So one way to obtain, the easiest way to obtain the equivalent resistance in this combination is, first of all, to press these 3 guys together, just like you press bread or you press some kind of fruit before you eat them. Okay, so press 3, 4, and 5 together. When we do so, we obtain a single resistance. All right, we obtain a single resistance which will now be in series with both 2 and 6 ohms. Then we'll combine 2, whatever we get from here, and 6 to obtain the total or equivalent resistance in this particular circuit. All right, so let us do that together. So the solution for this particular question, we go toss. All right, let me call 2 ohms my R1. Let me call this 3 ohms R2. Let me call 4 ohms R3, and let me call this 5 ohms R4. Then the last one, I'll call it R5. All right, so please take notes. We must tackle these 3 guys first, and they are in parallel. So let's tackle the guys that are in parallel. Okay, so in parallel, I have R2, R3, and R4. So I will call their effective resistance to be R2, 3, 4. All right, so this is what I'm interested in getting first. When I get this, and I'll put it in series with 2 and 6. Is that okay? So now, when resistors are connected in parallel, what formula do we apply? We say that 1 over, in this case it will be R2, 3, 4 will be equal to 1 over R2 plus 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4. And this will give us, at the end of the day, 2, 3, 4. This will be equal to 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 plus 1 over 5. Okay, so we have 3, 4, and what? 3, 4, and 5. So we ask ourselves, what is the LCM of 3, 4, and 5? What is the LCM of 3, 4, and 5? Okay, so the LCM of 3, 4, and 5, that will be equal to 60. All right, so we go 60 divided by 3, that is what? That is 20. So 20 times 1, that is 20, plus 60 divided by 4, that will give us 15. So 1 times 15, that will be 15, plus 60 divided by 5, that will give us 12. 60 divided by 5, that will give us what? 12. So at the end of the day, 1 over R2, 3, 4 will be equal to, that will be 20 plus 15 plus 12. That will give us 47. 20 plus 15 plus 12, that will give us 47 over 60. So if I take the inverse of this, the effective resistance of resistor 2, 3, and 4 will be equal to 60 over 47. And 60 over 47 will give us 1.28. This will be approximately 1.28 ohms. 1.28 ohms. All right, so I've successfully compressed these 3. All right, so this guy will now be in series with both 2 ohms and 6 ohms. Okay, so let's consider when they are all in series now, because now they are all in series. So this will be equivalent resistance will be equal to R1 plus the equivalent resistance of these 3 guys. That will be R2, 3, 4 plus the last one, R5. So the equivalent resistance in this particular combination will give us 2 plus 1.28 plus 6. And at the end of the day, effective or equivalent resistance will be equal to, there is 8, 9, that's 9.28 ohms. So this is equivalent resistance in this particular what combination. Very easy, okay, very easy. When you come across such a question next time, do not fret. Go little by little, compress just like you will press the bread when you want to eat it. Thank you very much for following through. If there's something that is not clear, you can always ask and you receive answers in the comment section below. Thank you very much once again. God bless.